Hey, what's up everyone? Thanks for watching another video here at JM&R Body Works. I'm John Keith, and we get a lot of phone calls from truck drivers asking if we can align their heavy duty truck, and the answer is yes. In fact, we have one of the newest, most accurate systems from Hunter. It's a Hunter HD Wind Align system. It's capable of doing a 3-axle alignment, and we got something special for you guys today. We're gonna show you how you do that, and we're gonna do it on an awesome fire truck. How cool is that?
Where is my mind? 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 Where is my mind?